Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Now me again, una sister, una friend, family lady, CEO. So I just say may I still come out this morning because Belle still dey bore me. If I dey hear some kind news where the so-called people where they say they go school, they talk, they go feel say maybe they just they talk to fools, or people know they listen to them waiting that they talk, or people know even they feel say maybe person know they hear waiting that they talk. I beg anytime when you just see my video, I don't really get time to spend. I don't get time to wait for anybody. Please just help me to share this video also, please. So they feel say maybe now only themselves now that they talk to. They don't know say we no still go school. We still get another wisdom. We still get another things where we take they see some kind of things. We see the reason far. We see the think, we see the see things, even if we don't see think, but we dey see a crow with our eyes. So my message, my talk, my reasoning go to our governor, Nogegase Obaseki. Ogasa, with all due respect, all the hey governor, I hail you, sir. Good morning. Now me, the daughter of a poor man from Edo State. The daughter of a man that is also voiceless. The daughter of a man that cannot also speak for himself. Because many of us, now only handful, now he gets the states. But the rest, the majority of us, we don't get mouth to talk. So I am in that category. Sir, I wake up, I still manage to sleep since how many days? Since how many, let me just say 1 week now, going to 1 week. I still managed to say make I get sleep yesterday. As I still wake up, and I still turn my belly again. When it make me they think, person want go gaga, person want go crazy, person head want bust because of the rubbish one that they tell us. The noise one that they make for our ear, it won't make my ear, it won't make me get ear infection. Automatic. Oga Governor, I see your broadcast yesterday where they for interview you for one platform like that. You want tell us, you say most of our Edo youth, you say we know they're educated. Yes, it's true. It's true, you said it all. We not really educated. Why? It's because of people like you, Oga Governor. We are really not educated. Tell me, since when you enter this post for good 4 years, how many schools have you built and make it standard for the for us, the children of the poor? Where will we be educated? Tell me how many schools where you don't really build. Or someone that don't crazy, don't pass. Now is your time. Now you can't enter. Please, Oga Governor, tell us how many schools where you don't build for us, for the children of the less, for the children of the poor, for the children of the less privileged, for the children that had no voice, that cannot speak for themselves. How many standard schools? Standard. We are talking of standard. Say okay. Now this one now build standard. We never see how we go manage go school. No. We not go fit go school. Because there is no good school. We not going to provide good school for us. We not go fit go school. So definitely yes, we are uneducated. So many of us, why we even get mouth now the small brain where we even can't learn for school, where we can't learn for abroad, where we did. Now even can't make us the feel even they talk. Then second point, Oga Governor, you say the thing where they go loot for warehouse. You say now vaccines, children vaccines of people wanting injections. Since when we did that Edo State, I never really see free medical care for Edo State from government. Oh. So una get this warehouse where vaccines dey, where medicine are being stock, and una no free bring am come out for the children, for the less privileged. There is children all over the place. They are being malnourished. Una no free bring all these things come out. Una dey keep am for the year God knows when until e expire. You say na the vaccines they go. What? Any number who say SSC. Una no do am well. Una no dey govern una state well. Una no dey take care of una citizens. Why the time when they will take get that chance? Why they no scatter everywhere? If I were to be there, yes, I would have done the same. If I would have been there, I would have done the same, because you can imagine a bag of rice now is more than 40,000. So basically, when you come here, say there's one warehouse there where they will foresee bag for free, or even if you see one packet of Indomie for free, you go rather enter motor go there one go collect them. Who cares if it is vaccines? As they break and enter, they go even they say maybe another one there inside. They go they open all the distance to check what is there. That is what they did, because you people did not govern your state well. You did not govern your state well, Oga Governor. Then the second point, the third point, sir. You said the old COVID-19 palliative where they pack come for now. You said it was 1.9 billion. I be million. How many million I be billion when you can say it be? Okay. Then you said you people distributed 702, 300 as the case may be. So let's assume say maybe waiting go come remain that kind 700, 500,000 or millions as the case may be. So let's assume say now the one who na distribute come out. Now many pass the one who na still live for our warehouse. Okay, Governor, my question to you, sir, with all due respect. Where are the videos when he show this 700 and something million when una distribute? Oga Governor, please, can you show us the video where you people distribute all these things in Edo State? Because you people are really taking road for una, they take us for a ride. We will not go school now. They say maybe we are just fools. Our brain not they work. If they work, I am bored. You say which one share nine many pass the one keep for our warehouse. Why you come be say that the one keep for warehouse? Now we can't see where many pass the one share. Why? Why, sir? Because many people they don't hear your voice yesterday. They just agree, say, yeah, oh, as our governor don't talk, he don't talk. For me, as a child of a poor man, I don't agree to that talk. No. Because I not be that link of that politics where they play for that side. So anytime I have the right to speak, I'm going to speak about this. Please, sir, show us, you and your cabinet, all of now we get hard in this sharing of this COVID palliative at that time when people needed you the most, sir. Can you please show us a video? Because almost the video we saw at that time was one packet of Indomie in one community. Sometimes a loaf of bread in the other community. They go, even to the extent children were playing ball with a bread. So if you are now telling me that you people shared the number of 700 and something thousand, why is it now that the one that is remaining that is even smaller, that is the one that we are now seeing videos, people are carrying it and everywhere is full, people are putting it in their head. We are really seeing things that people are really sharing things there. So can you please explain that, sir? Show us the video. We the Edo citizen. Please show us the video that you people use in sharing almost about 700 and something thousand where we don't see for our eye. Because if we see this, I believe many people would have not been raising money from one platform to another. People would have not been bringing money from their own pockets to be helping individuals. At least we'll foresee the circulator, they go say, our government is share food now, it don't reach in our hand. Okay, who you not reach in hand? But there was nothing like that. So you people are liars. You are born to be, oh God. What is all this? All the governors, okay, why can't be Ekiti, now it happen for Lagos, now it happen for Edo, now it happen for this one. So now the same story when you still talk now, that stupid Lagos governor now you go still talk. Now the same story when you still talk now that same stupid Oshu now you go still talk. Say he share 700 or something. Now the remaining one way cost more pass. Now it can remain. Now they go loot so. You got to be kidding me, mister. I beg. Me una not say na fools. Now they talk to I beg. Me una not say na zombie. Now they talk to. We will not go school our head. See they walk. Our head they walk. We don't come go to school, but you know me say if you tell me 1 plus 1, you know me say I go fit calculator. Me I don't know where you they go. I don't know since morning, Oga Governor. What is all this? You people should please let us sleep, please. So if this thing not happen, may God bless Nigerian youth. If this thing not happen, so we'll not even know say this guy is there one corner. Oh, only God know what we have not discovered. Only God know the money you people are looting that we have not discovered. Only God know what you people are covering that we have not discovered. God, what is all this? This is just too much. Which kind broad daylight be this one now? Your puppet called that fucking about Obaze. He come out. If you come to say nothing there. At the end of the day, they broke it open and they saw foods there. And he come out the second time to say, I remember say something there. I beg me they just go throw away that one for one corner. Now, where are the videos? Where una take share almost about 700 and something thousand food for Edo citizens. We not see her for Ikpobai. We not see her for Ring Road. We not see her for New Benin. We not see her for we not see this is for anywhere. So where did you people share them? Where? Please, can you bring out the video? You would have tell us when they interview you this yesterday. You go for tell us that the videos are everywhere. Where are the videos? Why you come missing at the moment they come first to bring come out? Now we come and see the video, Mr. President, Governor. Everybody they cost Mr. President, but at least that one we don't still do some part of his. He ordered the federal government to release food for different states, and they did. So it don't enter on our bed, it don't enter on our bosom, it don't do on our care, when our no green bring and come out. We didn't see anything you people shared at that time. All of them were crying, and videos were all over, asking people, when I see any food from government, when I said they said they don't see, will all of them lie at the same time? Will all the citizens lie at the same time? Which place una for do the meeting? You the governors, who una just feel say this food una not go bring and come out. You see all of una na one APC, PDP, una be one. Because all the governors, they are not the same. All of them are not in the same. What do they call parties? But at the end of the day, you people are doing the same thing. You see, so there's no good one out of it. PDP, APC, all of you are one. All of you are one. Nothing, no one better from all of them. So to the third one, sir. And this one is going to one Dr. Loretta Wanti where you join the broadcast. With all due respect, madam, you are learned. You be doctor. Me, I'm a daughter of a farmer. I not go school. But wait with what you said. Because if I say, if I don't see una governor, una head go to shake. Wait, now we will be the children of the poor, now you go talk so. You say yes, for London or for America, they try to not share everything finish in case of second wave. Yes. But madam, if you know say it be like that, why you not pack your things go Nigeria? May you go wait for second wave, mama. Why you not pack your things, go do your practice for Nigeria? Why would you stay in that man's land and be because they talk for people where they Nigeria say because of second wave? Even before the first wave come, una fair ready? Una fair ready? Nigeria government fair ready? Even abroad they ready? Nobody knew it was coming. So why can't you make use of the one you see now before you be waiting for the next? Even the first one, people were dying. People were dying of starvation. They have no food, nothing. So you now one wait first, then they first die for the first one. Scarce if the second wave come, then the one will call remain. I go call it happy. What are you now? Are you people telling me? What are you people telling me? Nigeria government no fair wait, no fair no say COVID go come. China no wait, America no wait, Germany no wait, Italy no wait, Spain no wait. As the case may be, no one wait. But as it comes, they try to manage it to share food for the innocent citizens. If the second wave still comes, there is always a way out. Hello? If the second wave comes, there is always a way out. So why must you keep one, why must you keep it for the second wave you have not seen? Does it make any sense? Does it make... Governor, they give numbers. They give numbers as if say, look, we will not go school. We still sabi do small mathematics. You say 1.9 billion or million. Now you say they bring come. You saw on a share 700 and something million. The one we call remain go small pass the one we wanna bring come. The one we wanna share go many pass the one where they warehouse. We don't see any video. Then this doctor can't come here, and because of second wave, he don't talk. And yeah. I beg no, I go sit down from one place to another shape, and the fellow on the shape. Waiting now, waiting. Doctor, if you know say then they wait for second wave, so this your government is so good. You trust him so much, madam. Pack your load and go to Nigeria. Go and wait for 4 years. Go and do your practitioner for Nigeria for 4 years. Only 4 years. I'm not saying you stay for them because it's going to be a disaster. Stay there for 4 years. After 4 years, come back to wherever you are and come and start your doctor waiting call there. Please. Man, I'm not the joint bad. Waiting now. Man, I said the truth now. Then, Oga Governor, you say 8 people were still remaining in that warehouse. And what you are not trying to tell us, they were the hoodlums or they were the people the opponent sent. Oga Governor, please, in the name of God, they are the children of the innocent. Please let them go. Let these people go. Now the way where other people take pack in, now so they take pack in, they were not sent from anybody. Please, sir, let them go. They are the children of the innocent citizens, so I beg, let them go, sir. Please, let them go. Please. They were just opportunity. Now the people want just lock there, now lock there. They were not hoodlums. Please, it was the innocent citizens, the way other people came to pick food. That is the way they came to pick. And you people now lock them inside that warehouse. You should not let anything happen to those children. 8 of them, you said. Only God knows if it is 8 of them because we don't trust you anymore. Please, sir. Please, in the name of God, I'm kneeling down before you. I'm a mother. Please. Let these children go. Please. Let them go. Not let anything happen to them. Oh. Please. We know you people are the one that have the sword, the knife, and everything that can. Please, sir. We are begging you. I am kneeling down before in the presence of God. And before you, please, let these children go. Please, sir. Let them go. They went there to look for food the way the other people are looking for food. That is the way they went there. Please, sir, let them go. Let these children go. They were not hoodlums. Please. They were not hoodlums. They went to fetch for daily bread because they say food, then they night them go. As they lock them there, please, let them not kill them for us. Now, mothers night born them. I saw a video where 2 were killed in the streets. They lie down flat. They were killed yesterday. Please, sir, you never say anything about that. Even yesterday they were interviewing you. You not talk anything about the dead, the 2 deaths when me myself see yesterday. You not talk am. But you not told us that they locked 8 of them there. Please, sir. Now that one I trigger my head. Now say, I beg, sir. Let them go, please. They have no power of their own. If they eat belly food, they don't go there. Oh, Baba, let them go, please. There are children where come from Toto. I don't born, I know how speaking they be. Mothers don't lose their children because of this rubbish one I don't create. So please let these children go. The thing they make me, if they make me they sick, please let them go. I'm not dead there, but I'm getting sick by the day. I don't be myself again. I cannot do anything. My head is not being focused anymore. Please let them go. Please, sir, let them go. Let those children go. Please share this video wherever you will find it. Please share it to Mr. Governor. A daughter of a poor man is crying for those souls that have been locked in that warehouse. Please let them go, sir. Because something else will be coming in case. Because these things now don't do when people don't they cry NSAS. Now they see all this video, all this why. You people never take any action about it. Now when it don't they turn to global thing now not gonna take action. So this one now wants to bring another leg come out. You told us with your mother 8 people were locked inside that warehouse. Please, sir, let them go. Release them and let them go and tell them sin no more. no more. Let them go, please. They were not sent by anybody. They were not sent because anything I go say na opponent. I don't know nothing about this politics. I don't know, and I don't want to know. But in this one, I have been trapped in it. Please, sir, let these people go. Then the third one, not able to win. Okay, that one I say about election. You say that the people wey no gree win election. Now it make them everybody they catch the tigers and the lions. I don't care about that. We are talking about the less privileged now. Sir, please, let those people go, please. Let them go. They don't already carry the food, they don't carry. Even the warehouse, one I say on our disperse. We don't know where on our disperse and go. Now disperse to on our people. Anyone who on go to, okay, good. We don't already hear. We don't agree. It has been passed. So we pray for the second wave and that doctor talk, make second wave not come. If you come, as we just survive the first wave, one will not give us pain, and so we go see they survive one. Yes, because you people gave us nothing. Nothing. I don't see anybody where come out. Come say he get full bag of rice as they carry him that yesterday. I don't see him. I don't see anybody where say they give a packet of Indomie. I don't see him. I don't see anybody where come and say they give him one bag of Gary. I don't see him now. I don't see him. Why would I want kill us like this now? Why? Why would I want just kill us the innocent people like this? Why? People, let us live now. Maybe no, let us breathe come out. Make una beg now. Make una beg. Una let us breathe. We have no power of our own. Please, sir. Let those people go. I'm just here because of those 8 people. Please. If they are no more than that, only God knows, because the innocent people will go prison for this matter. God, it go too much. But this one when you confirm to us, so no get say Obaseki, I beg, sir. Make you let them go. Please, I am begging in the breast of a mother. With my toto where I don't take born children. Augusta, please let them go. They are the children of other women. They are the children of mothers. They were carried for good 9 months. And their children have nurtured them to the point they can walk and want to go and feed for themselves. That is why they got them. That's why they got themselves there. If they were still babies, I believe they would have still been in their mother's back. Please, sir, let them go, please. Please, all Benin Nigerians, all mothers, please, you people should beg. You should let those people go. The people they caught yesterday in the warehouse, they were not sent by anybody. The people that you said they were calling, definitely they were calling because they locked them inside the warehouse now. They must call their family to tell where they did. They must call. So who do you think they were calling? Were they calling your opponents or do what? They were calling their families. Probably they were filming what was going on to show the world where the foods are. That's all with the telephone. So if they were calling, definitely they were calling their families, or they were calling whoever they thought can rescue them out of that place after you people might have locked them there. So please, sir, let them go, please. Please. I come back to all the Ogbas family. So who go and where go? Ogba. Nigeria must better. So now because of una belle, he pay me. I been do video before. I say he pay me for. If they pay me for even to now where they abroad. When they cry out, but I wanna see us abroad be. I want hear one man yesterday where I even felt if they talk, I believe they try to listen to him. When I listened to her yesterday, only one word he said, it make me to jump out. He said even for Spain where he there. He said they not share anything for them. Oh God, pastor, you wait say you they read Bible. Hey, that's all I be. And you was here. I want to wear. They got here 200,000 wear. Where they Lazia, where Madota well, well. You the least thing you can be able to say, even the Spain you are, they did not give you any money. But you have a stable light. Like, let me tell you, at that time of that COVID, sometimes you don't even see food eat. You even see stable light, they look what they happen. You go even feel sustain you for 1 hour or 2 hours before you die. They were stable light. They were stable water. definitely, if you say a government no give you anything, or as you said, let's assume say government not really give you anything. At least you have some food in your house that we're being able to take you up to that. But you not come out. We not see video when you take shout, come and say, hey, Spain government will not give me anything, or hungry one kill me. Oh God, we not see any video like that. Oh, we don't see any video like that when you take crack, come and say hungry one kill you for Spain. Spain government no give you food though. The only thing we are seeing, when me myself I dey see from you, we were showing everywhere. Look at how Spain organize their country. Why it come be as after they don't count you? Why it come be as after they don't count you? Say you take 200,000, you come and say Spain government not give you anything, but you stay the Spain also the same thing. The same thing where I pursue go give that doctor. Oh yeah, pack your load and your family. Mona go stay for Nigeria. May you still go experience since you know see Spain where give you, and Nigeria, oh now you come dey tell me now say even better Spain not even give you. Pack your things now and go to Nigeria and go and experience Nigeria. Oh no, so according to that doctor, he say maybe second wave they come. Make that second wave may come meet you for Nigeria. May come meet you, Oga pastor, Oga activism, wanting. May come meet you for there. Why am I not the shame of myself? Now even they teach all this one day. So all of them we just they shout for the something to good. No one to be right home about. Because I wonder one of the shout out bow. Because they wonder say, what do people they bow for now? What is this? I have not seen nothing. I have not seen nothing. Nothing has changed in Edo State. No light, no water, no security, no road, nothing. Wait till I say this governor can do now one just the shout up back. Fine. You know what? He later the video when he kind way. You know what? Zevagaro to up the devil zebo one na the. I mean, innocent face we yazo. I gwale na wa go walk by straight so pa the dezoy. Aya zo baseki. No meri ya walk no mero. Ukwe the zo baseki. Wa go. He's going to that state, or not the state one. I can make confession heavy one at the reno de. He get tag go no. I told one of my friends, you know, we tag go near and these people are not saying or we're sure, you know, we trust me. Yeah, or 12 one we know the Iguaganuwa. Ha! Salo bois. Okay, I will go in one, no problem. I ain't a go nwa. Wa be atemata, wa be zeda be atemata. Then on I even sulu we la tell where my governor now man we say. Who we tell when do you say in Spain where this is the Spain you are be comparing with Nigeria where who are yet in Spain again Nigeria. Oh when you do ata na ba vie. I no be say going to vie but we stable job. We speak again to the but we stable lights. We speak again to the but we stable security. We speak again to the but everything around you is fine. Me hate the right but eh? Who can I make you better? Who must Nigeria, you have it, you wear I will say, wherever my no Nigeria, all I saw here, mammy, my mammy, my not so that they speak here, mammy, so what then they speak here, they know ya, then you hear ya, pale with Nigeria, or pastor. How will you compare Spain with Nigeria at that present, even at this present situation we are now? Why this protest? Was it not because of police brutality? So these governors and all these elders, they said they hear all these things before, so they just pay deaf ear because it's not concerned them. Now when you call they catch them now, when they don't they burn their things, now they come feel say, okay, these people they have woken up. May God let us wake up forever. Una not go feel blind us again with all this una crack and boo story. Why can't you do as say, but my mama not they speak English for us again? Una English not they, you know they do us anything again, oga. Una English not they do us anything again. I am fucking mad here. I know they want look Facebook again. I mean, not let me stop. Me, I don't see waiting horrible. What? Kai, why? The time I talk and say go pour out. Oh, why are you beg where can all you so white bay? Oh, why you do car? Oh, why you do car? Till God bring the person that will bring Nigeria to the best place it can ever be. If not, I will talk for one of my baby. Wait, why you know can win politics now? I worry. Here was a officer governor governor ya we envelope there, and ya we already normal, ya we envelope na already normal. Governor we come dey share envelope. Governor we come say because say people stayed for a back, say he go give them 800,000. Let's divide 800,000. 800. I don't want to hear that your voice again. This thing. 800,000. 800,000 divide. Let's assume say now people that were supporting him. Okay, let me just say 10 people. 10. Okay, that's 800 and something million. Yeah. 9. One governor one fair give only people. And this money we want give people, so at least I got to go buy us. I will walk back. Standard road, you go reach Jeju. Why must you be sharing money for people to support you? I heard it from one man from South Africa. He said, don't speak. He said, if politicians speak for 1 hour, talk waiting he do. He said, you will not say that rubbish now they talk. He said, make you let time. Now waiting he do, make you let waiting he do speak for us. Why we not they let our politicians waiting they do make it they speak for them? Why? Why we not they let our politicians waiting they do make it they speak for them? Why they want use money? They buy people. Why? Why must you use money to buy your vote? Why? Why can't you let what you did to speak for you? See what I did. I did this road. I brought this school to standard. I brought this hospital to the best place. I did this, I did that. Why not the letter? Why must you be sharing envelope? Person just come greet you. Hey. Oh, wow. Person come greet you. And this person will come greet you so now Europe. Now they say for come. Because they say it gets sharp mouth. It get big platform. Una come give an envelope. Just to say welcome sister for come and be seeing me. So now just they share that money. And una go say una governor not they share money. Una say una governor is not the regime that share money. This our governor is not the governor that share money. Why must your governor be sharing envelope just for somebody to come and say hello, Mr. Governor? Why? Why? For what? Why is he sharing that money? Why? He's sharing our money. The money we ask him to work for us. That is the money he's sharing to individual. And that is bad. That is bad. Such governor can never work. He can never amount to anything good. Because all the money he's supposed to save, he's sharing it to some miscreants. Now the one we come out, come talk, can I be this? What of the billions where don't come out, where we don't even know? And this same governor will still come out, come tell us, say, I have done this, I have done that. Hey, look at this. You've done no shit, Mr. Governor. You've done no shit. Make una let the poor make you enjoy the peace of Nigeria. Make una let the poor enjoy the peace of Edo State. Make una let the poor see they get the little things when they come out of Edo State. Please, make una let us they get little. We need lights. We need just little things now. What is so hard in that? Why? I not be myself. Why? So basically just go greet governor. He said when he go, he said he uncle come call him. Say, if anytime when you go governor's office, he say they share envelope. He said he need to tell his uncle the truth. He really tell him, and his uncle say yes, he give an envelope. Now shit like they put for the envelope. No, it was money. After then, the so-called boy, where they call they talk rubbish, where people they listen to, he constantly come out. Constantly they talk say, our governor is not the governor that share money. Okay, after they come pull your nyash yesterday now, God, Mr. Wanty, whether they call you. Wait till you can't talk about that. Envelope where your governor share. Wait till you talk about that. What do you have to say about that? Money where your governor give you, may you share to the people where shut up back. What did you say about that? What did you say about it? She can never make it up. No. She can never make such things up. And she even called names as evidence. If you know you did not collect from this money, come out. Those side of Monu. No one came out. Instead, they came out of their own platform and be saying kakaboo stories. What shit? What bullshit is that? How long are we continue to live in these lies? How long are we continue to believe in these oppressors? How long are we continue? fathers, and the same thing. I dey look documentary from Fela today. The same thing wey dey happen, I see dey happen now. How are we going to get ourselves out of this place? Why can't we just be transparent for once? Person come see you for your office. He even come see you, make even happy. Must you give her money? Must you be shared? So una just get extra money. One that they put for envelope. Person just the way they do the work. When just see the hey, when just see the when get extra work, they just see appoint as I don't see them now. They just see appoint a special person for them. Where go they put money for envelope for all the visitors who come. Mr. Governor, I want to ask one question. These people that came, they were even from diaspora, from abroad. They flew all the way from abroad. They bought their tickets. They got money for their living. They came in to Nigeria, and they came for one purpose or the other. And you gave them envelope to say, welcome to see me. Who the body wants? If una dey you with your convoy, if una dey drive wahoo, that same envelope, why you know they share am for those people, all those people where they sit down for ground for Ring Road? All those people where you they see they carry loads, go they say, when you go ask them, say, how much is this your load? Some will say 5,000 naira, just 5,000. So go even say 2,000 naira. Why can't you take that same envelope and go and be sharing it for your citizens that are staying under the sun for 24 hours and they have no hope, Mr. Governor? So you wait ahead. Any big person where it come, because definitely now people where they feel say if they on how I want to talk am. Now they come your place. We the poor citizens, we dare not come there. We the hungry people, hungry man children, we know they enter there. So now those people where get money, where get weight, now they reach where you did. So now that same people, now you they give envelope to. What happened to the poor citizens outside? What happened to them? So Mr. Governor, you want to say you know they see poor children where their mama go put them for back. Even some, their mama go lie them for street for people to they throw money for them. Even some, I have seen one, she have a big, whether na cancer, I don't know, but the belly don't come out. Every minute is there that Benin where you there for them. Where you know say they exist for that Benin. This envelope will go a long way for them. This envelope will go a long way for them. But you they share out to the people when you know say they don't even need your help. If they don't fit take care of themselves, government they where they from the where go give them life. They give them envelope. Because she tell you say she can't do mother-in-law burial, not be mama burial, not be papa burial. Mother-in-law cause don't belly full. She eats belly full. She's okay. Now she fit buy tickets. One go do mother-in-law burial. She can't come your office. You can't give her envelope. That envelope now she go add and join her money, and she will become richer. And while the poor in the streets are getting poorer. Is that not nice? Is that a good government? Is that a good governor? Is that a good leader? Is that no nonsense governor where they talk? Is that the wait and see governor where they talk? Is that talk back governor where they talk? Is that governor where they say they give money to miscreants? Hello? We not that stupid though. We not that stupid. People know they talk. You know me say they know they're stupid. They are just being quiet because some people they not just want involve themselves. Mr. Governor, please. My pleading is first. Please release those 8 children. Release them to us, please. Release them to us. Because if not this social media, the one where social media not carry is uncountable. But the little way they feel where social media carry, una see they deny her in the front of us. Una see they deny her as we sit down with the look una. The thing they happen. Una see they deny her. Say this light wey we dey see so not be light, na darkness. Hello. Who una come to say una they make fool of now? Who una come to say una they fool? See this dirty Jagaban Tinubu. He come at yesterday, I don't know when they interview him. He said they kidnap his son. This is my son. He was laughing. Oga Tinubu, your son, you will lose him. You are going to lose him in the hands of Nigeria. Yes, the way other mothers and fathers lose their children in the hands of Nigeria, you will be definitely not exempted. You will be among those same people that will lose your son in the hands of Nigeria. It will only take a while. It will only take a while. And you say the people will get casualties, you are not still talking about the deaths. The people will get casualties, you people will ask them questions. You will do this, you will do that. May God punish your mouth for you. I have said it in my first video. I said your children, your wives, their mothers, we carry them in their arms and look for help, and there will be no help. I'm repeating it again, and it shall happen in Jesus' name. Because now mothers now get children one at the key. Now fathers now get children one at just the key throw where our sister they be animals. And that our sister where they talk about these people yesterday. There is one caller where come your show. He said Abat speaking. You say me no talk to Abat. My sister, please don't stop anybody to cause any of those politician children. Please stop it. Stop it. Because nobody will not like you picking. Nobody will picking not they useful to. Nobody will picking will not look for a better future for a picking. So if any of the mothers have lost their children in the hands of this government, anybody will don't tax from this government money in any which way will not correct, their children must go down for it. He say, I don't care. If you can lie, a pace that the poor receive. A pace that the poor pass through. When it be said the poor are suffering and the big ones they think they can do it on their own, they will still definitely pass that pace of the poor. Who knows? Who talk out today say what this man, what did they call him? What did they call this man? Where there those states where still be something like this this Mr. Tony Kabaka. Today who talk and say go silent like this? If person tell him 2 years ago, say he go silent like this, he go say, na lie. I am the Oga Patakpata of Edo State. Today he's silent. And that same silence, when you don't silence, so he go around all of you. Where you don't get hand in any which way where you not clear. All of you will pass through it. You will never escape it. As your child, they so precious to you. Now so the child of the innocent citizens. Now, so the child of the poor ones, they precious to them. Please don't play with the children of the poor. Please don't play with them because they are crying. We say, God, you see these things, and He pays them to their bone marrow. And one day, your children will also be in that position, and their mother will cry and ask for help, and they will never find. Please, Mr. President, with all due respect, please release those 8 children. If they are not more than that, because if you not tell us say A, now B, we now will go they look for. If they are not more than that, with all due respect, sir, please release those 8 children. If they are more than that, please release them. We are begging. I know they force. I beg, release them because their blood will be coming after you people. Release them. Don't let them suffer just like that, please. If you know anybody where say they come, go and hold those people. Not hold these children, because as far as I'm concerned, you don't see the way that they break something now, you not talk. You don't see the way that they destroy government property, not so you talk. You say inside the warehouse, and what is inside the warehouse is food. And that is what they went to look for. Please let them go. Now hungry, now carry they go there. Oh. Some of the politician children not there. Oh. They not go there because even if you call them James, come back, we go carry food. They will tell you what I want you to do because it's enough in their house. Now hungry, now carry they go there. I beg Mr. Governor, release them, let them go. Because that is what I was expecting from these people to say yesterday. As some of them say they go school, they not see talk. Release them and let them go, please. Let them go. Mona fish out the people will say go destroy things. Mona go fish them out. Mona fish them out because this SARS matter. It don't say where they inside, where they don't call SARS. Me were not there Nigeria, I even hear the cry of SARS. What of you were there the state, you know hear them. Now we call Biaka Bioko. Now you can't come out. Yes, now it's already like this. I don't expect this fight ending anytime soon. Don't expect it. But still, release those children and let them go, please. Those 8 children when you admit say they carry or when they lock inside that, don't let them die, oh. Don't let them suffer, please. Let them go, Mr. President and Mr. Governor. Let them go. Federal government disburse food for all the 36 local governments, and the same thing is happen at the same time. That means una do meeting put now, make them not share them. Una do meeting put, or even if una dey hear. See, now as this, all this youth, they hear news now. Say Edo State bomb police station, and Lagos State take over. Now so una wey be governors. Now so una see they hear news. When una go hear say he or you no share oh, Edo go still do the same thing. Or I no share Lagos no share oh. Ekiti go still do the same thing. So now so all of una take code 9. We una take do wetin una do. We no come quarrel now. We una release the 8 children. Anywhere, all the states, any of the children we una see from where they for go carry food. Or na food they carry, they go there. They not go fight. They not go destroy government property. You not talk and say na government property. You not even talk and say you see gun for their hand. You not even talk and say you see machete, evil stick. You not talk am. You only said they saw them inside with their phone. And now this same phone, now they cause trouble. So when SARS they cause problem for Nigeria. So now this same phone. Give me your phone. And at the same phone you are still talking about, now phone now they hold for hand. Probably they were calling their loved ones. They have been trapped in there. So how can a phone be a crime now? How can a phone be a crime? Mr. Governor, waiting for the talk yesterday. Now phone, now you take the talk. Without your phone, nobody go for hear you. So those children brought out their phone and be calling their loved ones to know where they are. Please let them go. Why we have Europe? If you're going to beg, let them go. Please share this video. Please, I am begging. Let them go. I have kneeled down. Let them go. They are the children of mothers. I have carried a child for good 9 months. I know how it feels. I nurture my children. I see them growing. It gives me joy. That is the joy of every mother. Please, no mother would like to hear that their children is being locked up somewhere when they have done nothing wrong. Please let them go. Now food they go look for. Thank you very much, my people. Please share this video. Thank you.